Hi, I'm Alice with WTI and I'm here to talk about this wonderful gloss. This gloss has a real beautiful packaging and I love the applicator. It's so soft and works very well. Also, it is the perfect size to bring in our daily bag. It is very moisturizing. It feels very good on the lips and as the hours go by, it doesn't crack. As the name says, it's LemonLava, so even it's like transparent, it has yellow sparkles. It smells really good, just like a lemon candy. It's a pumpkin lip gloss. That means it's going to burn a little bit, but not as much as others usually do. It will last a couple hours, so you can drink water or eat something and it will still be there. I love to use it when I want a clean makeup, more for daily routine and I want to put something on my lips. You are going to love it, and that's my point of view.